When I woke up this morning, I had a very slow morning, no alarm clock, made myself a cup of tea, and I checked my phone notifications. There was a $900 sale in USD currency, and I'm a Canadian, and I earned it while I was sleeping. So I'll let you do the math on that. And then later the same morning, another $900 sale came in. Same day, without me doing a single thing today to make either one of those sales happen. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, okay, well, that is not me. I'm happy for you, Wendy. I'm not techie. I do not have a following. Good, because I was every single one of those things. And I wasted 6 years online figuring out what I'm going to tell you in the next few minutes. Today, I'm going to walk you through every real way to make money online after 50, from a little bit of extra grocery money all the way up to replace your income type of money. And I'm going to be really upfront with you about which one is which. Not really anybody explains it the way I'm going to. And it cost me years. I wish I had learned it sooner. Hey, if we have not met yet, I'm Wendy. I'm a 57-year-old grandma of these 3 beautiful littles from a small town in Ontario, Canada. I retired from my 9-to-5 at 55, built a 7-figure online income from zero. I had no tech skills, no marketing background, and no followers, and Zippo on ads. But here's the thing, it took me about 6 years of trying, fumbling, and honestly wasting a lot of time and money to get to where I am today. And the stuff I'm about to tell you, I wish somebody had just sat me down and said it from day one. So let's not waste any more of your time. Here is the honest breakdown, my friend. Okay, so before I get into all this, if you want a step-by-step roadmap, then you can grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's located in the description below. It's a PDF of the whole path that I took from zero to making a real income online. Okay, here's one question I really need you to answer first, and everything kind of depends on it. Do you want a little bit of extra income, like grocery money, fun money, a few extra $100 a month? Or do you want to replace your income completely, build something that you could buy your time back, fund your retirement maybe, let you leave your job and work from anywhere? Because those two are completely different paths. They're different strategies. It's different time commitments and it's different results. And if you don't know which one that you're building towards, you're going to spend years doing the wrong one. Like, hello, that's what I did. So right now, drop in the comments, type little if you want extra little bit of spending money, or type replace if you want to replace your income. I'm going to read every single one of these comments, and I'm going to make more videos to kind of address more of that topic going forward. Okay, so whether you typed little or replace, I'm going to lay out the full picture here for you. Here's what I wish somebody had done for me like 6 years ago. So if your answer was you wanted a little extra money, some fun money, grocery money, a few extra $100 a month, here are some honest options that will get you there. You can become an Amazon affiliate marketer. It's where you share a link, something that you buy, and you earn a little bit of commission. Another option is print on demand. So you can make a little bit of extra money designing t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, and whatever it is that you want. Now these are real and they work, but here's the honest part. You're going to earn a small percentage of somebody else's product. You need a lot of volume and a lot of clicks and a lot of orders to see numbers that actually feel meaningful to you. Now there's another good option, and I get asked about this a lot, and it's called UGC, which means user generated content. You've probably seen it, but not even know exactly what it is. But it actually means that brands pay real people like you and like me, not influencers, not celebrities, to create short videos using their products. You film yourself trying a new skincare product, making a recipe, using a home gadget, and the brand uses that content in their own advertising. You do not need a following like Zippo. Zippo followers are required for this. You're not posting to your own audience. You are creating content for the brand's audience. That removes the biggest barrier that most people think that they have, right? Not having any followers. Now, the pay, it typically can be $100 to $500 per video, depending on the brand. And some people string together a few of these a month and make a nice little side income. A friend of mine actually did this with her dog. She didn't even film herself. She had her dog do some circles around the dog food, and then that dog food company paid her $200 for that video. So is it real? Yes. Can it make you money? Absolutely. But, and I want to be straight with you here, it is time for dollars. Every video you make, you get paid once. So when you stop making videos, you stop making money. There's no system running in the background while you sleep, which is fine if a little extra money is your goal. So now I want to get into the little step up from that, which is digital products. You can start by promoting somebody else's digital product as an affiliate. Now the commissions are a little higher because they're usually 20 to 50% because there is no cost of goods. Still, it's not your product. You're still splitting the profits, but the numbers are more interesting. It's a little better, right? And it's a great way to learn what sells before you can create your own thing. It could be something that you don't even want to create. Like I actually have a number of digital courses that I promote as an affiliate because I wanted to learn how to create fancy, fun effects on my TikTok videos. So I purchased the course from this gal and it's an affiliate. And people kept asking me, Wendy, how are you doing those fun, fancy editing effects? And I thought, well, heck, I took this course. Here's the link. And that makes real sense because it is helping me, but it also is helping other people as well. And I definitely did not want to create my own course on that because that wasn't where my skill set really lied. I wanted to learn it, but I didn't really want to create it myself. Now, here's where everything kind of can change for you is when you do create and sell your own digital product. You can do a course, you can do a guide, a template, even a workshop, and you keep majority of every dollar. It's not a percentage, it's not a split. It's the lion's share, so to speak, because it is your product. Now, I know what you're already asking. What would I even create? I'm going to answer that in just a moment, and the answer might really surprise you, so stick with me. Now, I've made over 7 figures from digital products, and I don't say that to brag. I say it so that you understand that this is not a side hustle. This is really an online digital business. So back to that question of what would I even create? Think about your 9 to 5. What job are you in right now? What skills have you been using for years at that job? Whatever you've learned formally or just by living life and getting good at something, that can turn into a digital product. Are you an accountant? You could teach people how to set up their bookkeeping when they're starting their own small business. Are you a baker? My friend has just been perfecting sourdough bread. She's been doing it for months, and I am happily her guinea pig because I've been testing it out for her. Now she could package everything that she's learned, all the ratios, the timing, the tricks, her starter, into a course, and people could pay for that. You see, you don't need to be the world's biggest expert. You just need to know more than that one person who is a step behind you. So if you're already thinking, okay, I would really like to learn what my thing is, like what is my passion? What could I do? I built a free 3-day workshop just for this reason. Like it's called Passion to Profits, where we walk you through finding your passion, building multiple streams of income from it, and setting up your first automated capture page system so you can start growing your email list and getting all that traction, right? It's absolutely free. You can grab it in the description below and just get started that way. Now, if creating your own product still feels like a lot, then stick with me because what I'm going to share with you next is exactly what I wish I found years and years ago. Now I can hear some of you saying, Wendy, this sounds great, but creating my own product from scratch, I'm still working my full-time job, I'm not techie, I don't have time to build a whole course. I hear you. That's exactly where I was over 2 years ago. Now I'm a big believer in paying to learn a skill that I want to learn. I will pay for the fast track. I don't want to spend years on YouTube rabbit hole trying to piece everything together. And in February of 2024, I found a program that gave me 3 things that I'd been looking for years. The first thing, it was the education, actual digital marketing training, not tips, not hacks, a real curriculum. The second thing was a system, a complete done for me automated setup system. It wasn't building from scratch or figuring out tech on my own. And 3, it gave me digital products that I could resell and keep 100% of the profit from day one. Not a percentage, 100%. Education and income stream in the same package. A business in a box. And as a non-techie grandma who was still working and didn't have unlimited time on my hands, that was exactly what I personally needed. Now people ask me every single day, what program was that? So I share it, just like I do all of my other affiliate links. And yes, I make 100% commission when somebody buys the program from me. And here's the thing, so would you. That's the whole point. You learn the skills and you can earn from it from day one while you're still learning. We call it a learn and earn program. Now I want to pause here for a second because I hear this all the time. People will say, is this MLM? Is this a pyramid scheme? And I understand where that comes from. A lot of people have been hurt or burned or had bad experiences from things like this in the past. I personally have too. Now let's talk about MLM because that's multi-level marketing. And those have levels. You are building a business from what your team does underneath you, and you're giving a percentage to the people above you. This is completely different. It is master resale rights. You keep 100% of the profit. There is no downline, no upline, no team. You are creating income directly from what you do. And that is what I wanted because I had tried many things in the past where I had to build teams and I had to motivate them. I didn't want that. I didn't want my income dependent on what other people did. I wanted to be responsible for what I made. And that's what master resale rights is. It is not the same as a pyramid or multi-level marketing. Feel free to Google it for yourself. The world has changed. Business models have evolved. So think about affiliate marketing for a second. People promote products that they didn't create all the time. They earn a percentage for sharing something that they believed in or that they've tried. So people ask, how does the creator make any money? And that's a fair question, right? We are given everything that we need in this program. And one of the things that has been created for us is a pre-built digital website. She's created the website once, and it's like any digital product. It can be sold over and over and over again. So yes, she earns 100% profit from the website purchase. And this is a small one-time website fee of $39 or $69, depending on the program. And if you know anything about websites, they are not simple to build. Trust me, I have tried it. But this one is already done and pre-built for you. It's customizable so you can brand it to yourself. For someone like me who is not techie, that mattered a whole lot. And here's the part that I really, really respect. She runs the exact same business that I do. She has multiple different income streams. She's actively doing this. She's testing, she's learning, she's growing. And she teaches from experience, not theory. So we are not guessing, we are learning from someone who has already done it. And that's what I wanted. I didn't want to piece things together from random videos, trying to figure out what works. I wanted a clear path, and that's what I found with this program. And from there, everything has grown for me. I have created my own digital products. I have built memberships. I've added multiple income streams, but it all started from learning the right skills. I did not grow up with this internet, but it offers incredible value. The ability to work from home, to be able to work from anywhere, to create a flexible income, that was a dream for me. And now it has become my reality because I've learned the skills. And now you can see how learning from a complete done-for-you program is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to get started. Now I want to go back to something that I said at the very beginning of this video, because I know some of you are still sitting there thinking, okay, but that's you, Wendy. You're different somehow. You're special. I am to my grandkids, but that's it. I wasn't. And I promise you this, like at 55, I was still working full time, still short for retirement, still knowing that if I stayed on the same path I was on, I'd be working well past the age I dreamed of stopping, just to survive retirement, let alone live it. I remember hearing something. I think it was Bob Proctor, maybe. Something like, if you're not making money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. And I thought, that's not going to be me. But I did not know what to do about it yet. Like I just knew I didn't want to be working till I died. So I started looking, I fumbled a lot, and I didn't make much money for a long time. But in February of 2024, I finally found the education that I was looking for. And within 18 months, I had made over 7 figures. I retired from my 9-to-5, and now I wake up to sale notifications instead of alarm clocks. So here's where I land on all of this. If you want a little extra income, affiliate marketing, UGC, print on demand, those are all real options. Start there. That's your goal. No shame in that at all. But if you typed the word replaced in the comments, if retirement is stressing you out, if you're tired of missing things because of your job schedule, if you've been saying, I need to do something different for longer than you'd like to admit, then you don't need another side hustle tip. You need the foundation, the real education, the system, and then you need to show up for it. Plain and simple. Now, if you want to see exactly how this works, how the education, the system, and the 100% profit came together, I have a free class that walks you through the whole thing. It is located in the description below. Go watch it, learn from it, and you'll know within the first 10 minutes if this is right for you. And listen, a 57-year-old grandma from a small town in Ontario built this from zero, not knowing what a sales funnel was, from being generally short for retirement. And if I can figure this out, you can figure this out too, my friend. So now that you know how I woke up to over $900 this morning, and you want to see how I use this exact system to make over $650,000 in my first year, then you're going to want to watch this video right here where I break it down step by step. I will see you over there, my friend.